a bonus episode. Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time in Chucks and Chapstick, I say go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then tap, tap, tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. However, if you're back for more unboxing shenanigans, they are coming your way. Which box are we opening today? Stitch Fix. If you were unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, I am going to link a video. I think it's going to be on this side. I'm going to link a video about how Stitch Fix works. Additionally, I'm going to put a referral link in the description box. So if you want to try Stitch Fix, you can get $25 off of your first purchase with Stitch Fix. I can't think of anything funny or quippy. I've been working all day. I'm still in my work clothes. So we're just going to tear right in. However, I do have a confession. I peeked. There are 5 items that come in the box. I decided to look at 2 of them. So 2 of them I have already seen. However, because I'm old and I was tired, I don't remember what the 2 items are. So this technically will be a surprise, but full disclosure, I peeked. Aww. Anyway, let's go ahead and tear into the Stitch Fix box. Just also wanted to let you know real quick before I jump into the Stitch Fix unboxing that I have a code that I got from Stitch Fix to share with one of you that allows for you to get 3 free stylings. So 3 months of your styling fee being waived. So it's basically you being able to try out Stitch Fix for 3 months risk-free. It says it expired like 3 or 4 days ago, but when I log into my app, it still says, you know, send this to a buddy so that they can try Stitch Fix for 3 months with no styling fees. So apparently it's still good because they're still having it pop up in my referral link. So I'm gonna put it below. The first person who redeems it just gets it, whatever. But anyway, I just want to let you know. Let's go ahead and get back to this unboxing. So a few of the things that you will receive in your box. You will get a prepaid return mailer to return any items that you don't want to purchase. You will get style cards for each item that you receive with suggestions on how you can style them. And then you will also receive your pricing sheet. Now I'm going to wait to look at the pricing sheet until the very end because I do not want the price to influence how I feel about the items that are in this box. Let's go ahead and dig in. I see some very pretty bright colors and prints in this burrito, which is great because I specifically asked my stylist for bright, summery colors. And so at least on that part, it's been delivered. Only thing is that this package is heavy. And so I'm a little concerned that maybe the fabrics are not so summery because when I think of summer fabrics, I think of light, airy, flowy, breathable, and this is pretty heavy. So we will see. So that's a tank top. That's a really it's kind of a blurred out print, but I think it's really pretty. These colors are gorgeous. So here is a royal blue jumpsuit. It looks like it's a crop length because those legs aren't very long, and it's wide leg. And I can see the light through it, so this isn't very thick. It's just kind of a doubled, but it's really cute. I like that. Okay, y'all kind of killing me with the spaghetti strap tank tops, but this is a very, very, very pretty print. I love this. And one thing I would like to say is that I was never into florals until I started seeing stuff in Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix has turned me onto florals, especially the really big florals. I Before I never considered myself a floral person, and now, you know, I'm open to florals. Oh, that's cute. A little wrap at the front and kind of a tail at the bottom. That is very cute. Again, very thin straps that are adjustable. See them adjustable there? This is very pretty. Looks like we have a maxi skirt. Yeah. So it's a pretty color. This fabric is kind of hard to explain. I don't know if I'm a fan of it, but there's a maxi skirt.
So we'll start with the skirt here. I thought the print was really pretty. It's nice and long like maxi skirts are supposed to be. It does have this wide waistband, and for people with a heavier midsection, or at least for me, I found that I don't really like that waistband because it doesn't, it like clings and just drapes right over my midsection, which is, you know, I'm not a fan of. It also comes in that rayon-y polyester-y material, and the only way I can describe it is that it feels slimy against my skin, and I don't like that at all. So some people are okay with it. It's just not something that feels good against my skin. But the print and the concept of the maxi skirt I thought was really cute. So now we move on to the cobalt blue jumper, which I actually really like this jumper. I like the way it fit. I like the way it hung. It's simple, but still it has that kind of blousey part at the top. You know, that adds a little extra something to it. I wouldn't wear this without some type of jacket or cardigan, but I think it's cute and really kind of casual cute with the jacket added to it. The color I love. That cobalt is the jam. I think it's really nice. No adjustable straps, but you can step right into this, pull it right on up, and I think you'll be fine. So that is the cute cobalt blue jumper. So I was probably most disappointed by this top. It's just too tight along the midsection. Yeah, it's just too tight, but I like the print. I like it was kind of a gauzy material, which is very light and flowy and breathable, and it also has adjustable straps. So I really wish this top would have came in one size bigger. We would have been good. Oh, and they stitched the front so it doesn't pop open instead of like the modesty button. But I like this top a lot. So I did like the print on this top, but again, it is too small around the midsection. I also didn't realize until I was watching a video back that the back portion of it, like the way it hangs, it's kind of got a weird hem, like it, I don't know, it's like a flap. But again, spaghetti straps. I don't like the way my boobs look in this. I look like I have missile boob. Not a fan of that. So, on this shirt. Just saying. Absolutely in love with the print and the color. Not in love with how small it is around my midsection. So, I really wish this top would have came in a size bigger, but it didn't. So, but that print, that floral, the bright, I am so in love with it, and I'm really bummed that this shirt didn't fit, this top didn't fit. So there it is.
So what did you guys think about that Stitch Fix? Overall, I actually liked all of the items. The major problem was that they didn't fit, and that's not my stylist's fault at all. That's my fault. I mean, and just like I said it in my trunk club a little earlier, I've gained weight, and because I gained weight in my midsection, things are going to continue to fit in other areas and just not fit at all in my midsection. And so I think that's what I experienced here too. I like the items. Again, I think that they were all cute, but they just didn't fit well. And because what they sent to me was actually in the straight sizing, I was at the top of the straight size, and none of the items come in plus size. So I had to send them back, and so I didn't get any items from this particular fix. Oh, another thing I'll notice that I actually wore shapewear in this video as well for all of the items that I had on. And I hate shapewear. I absolutely hate shapewear. I have quality shapewear. I have stuff I bought at Target. I've got stuff that I bought from Lane Bryant. I have, actual Spanx. And none of it is comfortable. Even, in the size, it's not like I'm trying to squeeze into something that's 2 sizes too small. Even in the size of shapewear I'm supposed to wear, it's still very, very uncomfortable. And I hate being uncomfortable. And besides that, like, it seems to, shapewear to me even still is made for like hourglass and pear shapes. So it just seems to like smush everything together and just make it, I don't know, it just, to me, I look better under clothes without shapewear than I do with shapewear. So what's the point? I'm torturing myself for nothing. No, thank you. I'm a pass. Additionally, I'm sorry for the overall tone of this video, but the wind has kind of been taken out of my sails. It's like sometimes when you realize you've gained weight and it's like affecting the way you're used to clothes fitting you, it's a hard pill to swallow, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm just being real. And that's not for anyone to be like, oh, you're beautiful like you are. No, I get that. It's just right now, it's rough. It's rough realizing that you've gained weight and it's affecting the way that your clothes fit you. So I'm just gonna have to kind of have a good talk with myself and see if we can kind of pull this shit together. Sorry. Anyway. So if you have any comment suggestions or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.